Hello my dear students, once again I am here. This time we are going to discuss chapter 5 and the subtopic is clock. The clock is also very important thing in our life, and we have understood the concept of time many years ago, but today we are going to understand few things which are not common for a common person. This we will understand under the topic clock. Okay, so first of all you will have to understand various basics of it, and once you have understood this all, then we will be able to apply this in the questions. What the thing is that, as you know that the clock is having two hands. We are not talking about second hands, we will talk about minute hand and hour hand only. So minute hand takes one complete revolution in 60 minutes, and the complete angle is covered by the minute hand is 360 degrees. So in that case, the angle between two consecutive minutes is 60 degree, is 66 degree. Okay, because 360 degree angle is covered in 60 minutes. So in 1 minute it will cover an angle of 60 degree, and the rate of rotation is 6 degree per minute. So the hand is moving at the rate of 6 degree per minute. What about the hour hand? Hour hand will take one complete revolution in 12 hours. 12 hours means 720 minutes. So what is the rate of its movement in 1 minute? It's moving 360 degree in 720 minutes. So every minute hour hand is moving half degree only, while the minute hand is moving 6 degree. Okay, now the angle, so from 12 to 1 there are 5 minutes. That angle between 1 minute is 6 degree, so in 5 minutes it will be 30 degree. The angle between two numbers of a clock is 30 degree. Then at 3 o'clock and at 9 o'clock the angle between them is 90 degree. But this is not only at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, there are various other positions, and that is 44 times. So in 24 hours, 44 times we are having an angle of 90 degree in between of hands. Like you can say at 5 to 2, 5 to 2, at 5 past 4, this will be again a 90 degree situation. So this way there will be 44 times the minute hand will be, and the hour hand will make an angle of 90 degree. And when they are 180 degree apart, they will be opposite to each other. When they are opposite to each other, then the angle between them will be 180 degree, and that situation also arises 11 times in 12 hours. 11 times in 12 hours. Okay. Next is, now this is quite an important concept. What he is wants to say that the minute hand covers one complete revolution in 60 minutes, and the in the same time the hour hand moves just 5 minute space. The minute hand may move 60 minutes and the hour hand moves 55 minutes. So the difference between the two is just 55 minutes. So every time, every hour, this hour hand and the minute hand gain 55 minutes over the hour hand. For example, if it is 1 o'clock, so 1 o'clock say the minute hand will take one revolution in 60 minutes, and in those 60 minutes the hour hand will come to 2. So now the distance between hour hand and minute hand is 55 minutes. So in every 60 minutes the minute hand gains 55 minutes over the hour hand. Now if it is gaining 55 minutes over the hour hand in 60 minutes, how much it will gain in 1 minute? In a perfect clock, the minute hand makes a one round in 60 minutes and hour hand moves 5 minutes space in 60 minutes. So there is a gain of 55 minutes space by minute hand in 60 minutes. Now in every hour both hand coincide once, so they coincide, minute hand must gain 60 minutes. अब एक हैंड दूसरे हैंड को जब कोइंसाइड करेगा, for that 60 minute complete revolution should be completed. but in the same time our hand is also moving. So where we should say, we want to know ki how much is the actual time. 55-minute space is gained by the minute hand in 60 minutes. 55-minute space is gained by the minute hand in 60 minutes. So 60-minute space will be gained in 60 into 60 divided by 50, that is 65:5 by 11 minutes. So what this 65:5 by 11 minutes telling us, that after every 65 minute 5 by 11 minute, the both the hands will be together. They will coincide each other. Okay. So two hands coincide after every 65:5 by 11. But if this coinciding is happening less than 65:5 by 11 minutes, it means the clock is fast. And if it is happening more than if it is taking more than 65:5 by 11 minutes, it means the clock is slow. Now how much fast, how much slow the clock will be, that we can come to know, that if x is less than 65:5 by 11 minutes, then what will happen? Then clock is fast. How much fast? 65:5 by 11 minus x upon x per minute. This much in 1 minute it will be fast. And then if you want to get it in 60 minutes, multiplied by 60 divided by 60, then you can multiply by 60, and then for 24 hours, then multiplied by 24 hours also. Similarly, if it is x is more than 65:5 by 11, then what will we do? X minus 65:5 by 11 upon x per minute, slow. So this much per minute that clock will be slow. These two are quite important formula. This concept is also very important. Once again, I would like to explain you that the minute hand moves, takes one complete revolution in 60 minutes, and in those 60 minutes the hour hand moves just 5 minutes. So the difference between hour hand and minute hand is 55 minutes. In 60 minutes time, the distance covered between them is 55 minutes. This happens every time. So 55-minute space gained in 60 minutes. So 1 minute space will be gained in 60 upon 55 minutes, and for coinciding they should cover a distance of 60 minutes. So 60-minute space will be gained in 60 into 60 by 55, and this way we will come to know that how much in how much time the two hands will cover the distance. So that way you will see in some of the questions. Now, in interchanging the position, minute hand and hour hand make an angle of 360. Sum of the angle made by them is 360. What he is saying, for example, the hour hand is at 1 and the minute hand is at 12. So in changing the position, the hour hand will cover an angle of 355 and the minute hand will cover an angle of 355, and hour hand will cover an angle of 330 and 30. So the sum of both the arm covering the angle will be 360 degree when they are interchanging the position. For example, 12. For example, you can say that 2 o'clock. If it is 2 o'clock, so for changing the position, what will have to happen? That the hour hand will have to be at 2 and the minute hand will have to be at 12. So again, the hour hand will cover an angle of 60 degree, the minute hand will cover an angle of 30 degree, 300 degree. So the sum will be 360. Okay. So if this happens after every x minutes later, then our hand will rotate. Our hand rotates at a rate of half degree per minute, so x into half degree. And minute hand rotates at a rate of 6 degree per minute, so it will rotate 6x degree. So total it will be 6x plus x by 2 is equals to 360. The sum of both the angles is 360, and x is equals to 720 by 13. It means 55:5 by 30. Hence, in every 55:5 by 13 minutes, both hands will interchange their position. 55 minutes, 5 by 13 minutes later, both hands will interchange their position. And this will happen, and both the hands coincide in the whole day 22 times. So this much is the all detail which you should know for solving these questions. Now let me solve few questions for you. The questions are there on page number 5.17 onwards. Okay. So what the questions are saying the minute hand of a clock overtakes the hour hand at an interval of 65 minutes of the correct time. How much a day does the clock gain or lose? Now what he was saying that 65 is to 5 by 11 minutes should be taken to coincide each other, but here this is happening after every 65 minutes only. So x is 65, which is less than this, so the clock is fast. So how much he is talking that how much it will gain in 24 hours. So the clock will gain, this is question number 1, the clock will gain in 1 minute. 1 minute का हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है 65 is to 5 by 11 minus x upon x. So we will come to know 65 is to 5 by 11 minus 65 upon 65. So what I got, 5 by 11 into 65. This many minutes will be gained by this clock in 1 minute. Now how much the clock will gain in 1 hour? The clock will gain in 1 hour is equals to 5 by 11 into 65 into 60. And how much it will gain in a day? The gain in a day, and a day contains 24 hours, so 5 is to 11 by 65 into 60 into 24. This is 12, this is 13, 12 5 is 60, and 24 6 is 1440 upon 143, and it is coming 10 is to 10 by 143 minutes. So in 24 hours the clock will be 10 is to 10 by 143 minutes fast. Okay, so this was question number 1. Second is also the same. Let us look for question number 3. At what time between 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock will the hand of a clock coincide? 2 o'clock और 3 o'clock के बीच में कितने बजे the clock will coincide? Now to coincide between 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock, look, at 2 o'clock the position of the clock is like this, 1 is in between, this is 2, this is 12, so it will have to cover a distance of 10 minutes. Okay, to coincide, our minute hand will have to cover a space of 10 minutes. Now that 65 minutes 55 minutes concept. Now it covers, minute hand covers a distance of 55 minutes in 60 minutes. 55 मिनट का स्पेस 60 मिनट में वो कवर करता है. So minute hand will cover 10 minute distance in, or we can call it a space, 60 by 55 into 10 to 11, 120 by 11, 11 10 ja 9, 10 is to 9 by 11 minute later. What we were appearing 10, but it will be 10 is to 9 by 11 minute. So at 10 is to 9 by 11 minute past 2, the clock will coincide with each other. Both the hands will coincide. Are you getting my point? What I am telling you, that this was question number 3. That at between 2 and 3, at what time the hands will coincide, so they will have to cover a distance of 10 minutes. The 55-minute distance is covered in 60 minutes, so 10-minute distance will be covered in 10 is to 9 by 11 minutes. So this way, this will be our question number 3. 4 is also something like this, but he is asking 2 cases. 2 times it will happen between 2 and 3 it will happen only 1 time. And then he is asking in question number 4, at what time between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock will the hands of a clock be at right angle? Right angle पर कितने बजे होंगे? What is the condition? The condition is this. This is 4, 3, 2, 1, 12. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, right now the angle between them is 120 degree. And he wants the angle to be 90 degree. So 90 degree कब होगा? When it is at 4, 5. 4, 5. So this is question number 4. Case 1. There will be 2 cases. So at 4, 5, the angle will be 90 degree. So minute hand will cover a space of 5 minutes in. Now look, what is this concept? 5 minutes in, what does this mean? This means देखिए जब मिनट हैंड मूव करेगा तो ठीक उसी समय आर हैंड भी मूव करना शुरू कर देगा. तो 5 मिनट में अगर ये चला है तो ये भी चला, तो then the angle is not 90 degree. So at what time it will be 90, that we are calculating. So that is the 60 by 55 concept into 5 मिनट का स्पेस हमें कवर करना है. So 5 into 11, that is 60 by 11. So 5 is to 5 by 11 minute. So at 5 is to 5 by 11 minute past 4, there will be 90 degree angle. So this is first case. Now what about second? Case second में क्या होगा? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ये आ गया यहाँ. At 4:35, at 4:35, angle is 90 degree. At 4:35, the angle is 90 degree. So minute hand will cover the space of 35 minutes in 60 by 55 into 35. 5 7 ja 5 11 ja 4 20 upon 11, 3 ja 33. What left is 9. 8 ja 88. 2. 38 is to 2 by 11. So at 38 is to 2 by 11 minute past 4, the angle is 90. So these are the two questions. 38 is to 2 by 11 minutes and 5 is to 5 by 11. This way we will calculate that what time this all will happen. Okay. Now let us look few more questions. Although there are not many questions like this. Question number 7. A clock is 1 minute slow at 1 p.m. Tuesday. 1 p.m. This is question number 7. 1 p.m. Tuesday. It is 1 minute slow. While at 1 p.m. Thursday, 1 p.m. Thursday, it is 2 minute fast. Okay, what he is asking? When did it show the correct time? Correct time कब दिखाया इसने? Okay. So 1 p.m. Tuesday to 1 p.m. Thursday is equals to 24 plus 24, 48 hours. And what has happened in 48 hours? Earlier it was 1 minute slow and now it is 2 minute fast. So total time changes. Total time change is 1 minute slow, 2 minute fast, that is 3 minutes. The difference is 3 minutes. And this 3 minutes he has covered in 48 hours. Now earlier it was 1 minute slow. So when the clock will show the correct time, when this slow minute will be covered. So he has to cover just 1 minute for being correct. So 3 minutes it is covering in 48 hours. 3 minute time difference in 48 hours. So 1 minute time difference will be in 48 upon 3, 16 hours. 16 घंटे बाद the clock will be perfectly fine. So it is 1 p.m. Tuesday plus 16 hours, that is 1 p.m. Tuesday से 1 a.m. Wednesday और 5 more hours, 4 more hours. So 5 a.m. Wednesday will be the correct time. 5 a.m. Wednesday it will show the correct time. Okay. What next? Agla question. Question number 8. A clock is set right at 10 a.m. Okay. The clock gains 10 minutes in 24 hours. What will be the true time when the clock shows 3 p.m. on the following day? Next day के 3 p.m. पर वास्तव में कितना समय हो रहा हो? Okay, that he is asking for. Question number 8. We are talking about 10 a.m. is right now, and next day 3 p.m. he is talking. So the time difference is 29 hours. Time difference is 29 hours, and the clock is fast by 10 minutes in 24 hours. 24 hours में वो 10 मिनट फास्ट हो जाती है. तो exactly what happens? 24 hour 10 minute in given clock is equals to 24 hour of perfect clock. So So if I will convert it into hours, it will become 24 1 by 6, so 145 by 6 hour in given clock is equals to 24 hour of perfect flow. Now 29 hour of in given clock is equals to how much time? So 24 into 6 by 145 into 29. So 29 5s are and 24 6 are 144 upon 5. So I can say 28 is to 4 by 5, or I can say 28 are 48 minutes. So basically, which it is showing 29 hours, it is 28 hours 48 minutes only. So after 10 a.m. plus 24 hours, it is 10 a.m. Wednesday, and then what left? Plus 4 hour 28 minutes 48 minutes. So it will be 2:48 p.m. which it is showing is 3 p.m. which is shown as 3 p.m. So when it is showing 3 p.m., basically at that time it is 2:48 p.m. only. Okay, so finish off this much work. The next of our topic will be time and work. That is quite a new thing for you. You have solved very few questions of it. There are many things to be understand in that. So in next video we will discuss about that.